So hi guys, this is Divyanshu here. Welcome to Div Attain, and in this new video we are going to learn how to remove all the pimples, dark spots. So let's get straight up into the video. So this line is up here as you can see, and in this video we will remove all the dark circle pimples as I have said earlier to you. And so first step is to observe the picture or this image. What is the problem in it beside pimples? So that's the tint of the color, red color, which happens because of that pimples and that dark circles. There's very much less pimples here if some of the pimples are there. So the first step is to make a copy of it for safety purpose, and to remove the extra color, red color, a very simple step. Go to this adjustment layer and then hue and saturation. Take this hand tool and then this, and just go and simply reduce this saturation. For this image, if you download the PDF of this image, that you can download from description. So for this image, up to 26 is okay. So let it be up to here, and now the another step is to go to this background layer. And then what we have to do is to take this healing brush tool, and now what we have to do is to go to background copy layer, and here we have to take spot healing brush tool, this as you can see, and zooming inside the image, make the brush just a little bit bigger than the size of your pimples, and just paint over your pimples or dark circle spots, that is. So as you can see, I can do it fastly here because I am using a pen tablet here. So you can also do it. So this is the work. First we have to do it very smoothly, and we can do it much better because as now also there is very much little bit reds are left, or these pimples are of red color, is having red color. So what we'll do is we will make a black and white adjustment layer, and here as all the pixels have been converted to black and whites, and the pimples are of the color red. So the luminosity or the brightness level of this red is getting taken away. So pimple is getting highlighted, and you can see where the dark circles or the pimples are. So just close it, and now go to this layer. Do not check this sample from all layer. So you just go and work over this. So this here, you can see all the pimples clearly. So we'll do it fastly here because there is many things up here. I am fastening the video because it's not, the video will get very much long. But here the process is only that we have to dab over the pimple a little bit with a less pressure if you are using a mouse, and if you are not, then a flow up to 75 is okay. So let's fasten up the video. So can see, I am doing this slowly and gradually here. So, because this depends on image to image. If you are having a very much less dark circles in your image, you can do it slowly. But I am having a image in which the man is having too much pimple. So here you can remove all these small dark spots. And now what we'll do is we'll take this off again and we'll see that whether any of the pimples have been left out or what. So we'll clean that also. So I think our work has been done properly. All the pimples are removed now, or you can say the dark circles. Pimples are very less. So this black and white adjustment layer is just for checking that all the pimples are getting selected or cleaned up or not, because that let us clean almost all the pimples, and after that if also a little smaller pimples are left, then you can clean that. So I think that our work is almost done. So what's the before? This is the before and this is the after. And if this is see complete before and after, so this is the before and this is the after. So as you can see, so he is having a little more red paint over his face. Okay, going to this neon saturation and then to this red, and after which we have to reduce the saturation. So up to here I think is okay. So as you can see here, all this have been done. So this was just for checking off that all are cleaned up or not. So now you can delete up that. So this was the complete tutorial for cleaning all the pimples up from our face, and at last I would say that there is the PSD of it in description. You can check that off from description, and then if you like this video you can give a like, and if you don't you can give it a dislike. So now I'd like to say that if you really want to help us, you can support us by sharing this video with all your friends who are Photoshopers or are having their interest in Photoshop. So thank you.